What every candidate really wants is to have an answer
now.
Now, of course, that's not possible. It takes time for a company and organization to make decisions on who they're going to hire and who they're not. Now, some companies take forever, and they should stop that. That 6th round of interviews is unnecessary. You are just being mean.
Stop it. Don't do that.
But for everybody else who's figured out how to compress their process into as lean and streamlined as they can, I have an idea. We should take a page from Uber. Not the career site, but their app. Right? When you request a car, what does Uber show you? It doesn't say, hey, you're going to get a car in about 3 or 4 minutes. It shows you a map. And that map shows your location and the car's location and the path by path, turn by turn direction it's going to take to get to you. What does that do? Well, it doesn't make the car faster, but it eliminates uncertainty and eliminates that fear of, did the car get the signal? Is it coming? Is it close? Is it nearby? Am I going to make my plane? Am I going to make my movie? Am I going to make whatever that is? It's all that uncertainty is welling up, and that map dispels it all. You know exactly where that car is. You know exactly how long it's going to take that car to get to you. 2 minutes of waiting without any kind of information feels like an eternity. And that's like 10 minutes of being able, okay, I know where the car is. It's coming up. Yeah, it hit traffic. Oh, that's a long light. I get that one. Yeah, that's going to take a bit. You feel far more comfortable. Let's take that lesson. Let's take that idea of removing uncertainty where you can't remove speed and figure out how to embed it in the job search process. Show a candidate that, yes, we interviewed you. And instead of saying, hey, we'll get back to you in a week or 2, which is brutal and mean a little bit, why don't you say, hey, we have 4 more interviews. The next one is this time. The next one is that time. The next one is that day and that time. And then we have to meet. And by the way, it takes 3 days for us to meet. So we will be meeting on July 31st to do a thing. And then by then we should know. Showing a candidate that map, that understanding what it takes to hire someone, that eliminates uncertainty. And when you can't make the process faster, limiting uncertainty makes the candidate feel appreciated, valued, and lowers that emotional fear factor that happens all the time when you're looking for a job. So consider giving more information to these candidates. Don't make them sit by the phone like it's a bad date. Tell them what is going on. That is what you would want if you were a candidate.